Salibonani, let's practice with mina, wena, yena again. So the verbs we have today, ukuthunga, to sew, and ukuthanyela, to sweep. Angithi. So if you're talking about yourself, let's start with ukuthunga. Mina ngiyathunga. This is important, mfundi, because you want to know how to always talk about yourself. It's mina ngi. How to talk about someone else when you're talking to the person, wena uya. Angithi, you are doing this. And then talking about the person, another person, yena uya. All right. So, mina ngiyathunga. Wena uyathunga. Yena uyathunga. Let's move on to sweeping. Angithi, I am sweeping. Mina ngiyathanyela. You are sweeping. Wena uyathanyela. And then he or she is sweeping. Yena uyathanyela. You can even use their name. Usenzo uyathanyela. Angithi, asikhulume.